Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create this Pro Tailwind clone. And if it's your first time to this channel, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this, what we're going to build at the end of the day. And it's a very simple, good looking landing page which has no functionality. It's just a landing page, okay? And this is to show you it's fully responsive if you shrink it, and also on the large screen it's pretty cool, okay? So what we need to do is, in this first tutorial, I'm going to be walking you guys how to create this from the first page to the route into different sections, different routes. And also once we click on one of these, it directs you to another route, which is workshop. So for now, that is what we're going to do. We're not going to do much just for this tutorial alone, as it has so many things we are going to be doing. So on the first place, we want to work on the header, as you can see, and I'm using Zustand. If you don't know, it's a state management tool. If you like, you can use the normal use state, but on this one I'm using Zustand, and it's being stored here where I create an open model, and also here I can toggle on and off. With the toggle here, I'm setting the open to be false, and it's open to be false, and on open it's a function that call is open to the opposite of what I want it to be. If it is false here, if I click on it to be true, if I click on it to be false. So that's what this does. And let me close this. In the header here, I'm making the header relative and giving it a top to be of 0, and giving it some drop shadows. You can see there's some drop shadows there. And also we are giving it a link. I know this is not the best way to create a link. You can use the link tag like so from next, coming from Next.js. So let's import, okay, let's import the link like so. And also we are giving it some href to be of the type home. So, and from there we have this color, which is Pro Tailwind. In here we're giving this pound tag to style this pro a little bit different from this Tailwind, okay? So in the next UI down here, what I do is giving it of hidden and items to the center and space. What this does is this one here. So I'm saying do not show this link. That's why I gave it hidden. Do not show this link on a smaller screen, but on a larger screen, where is it? Yeah, on a medium screen, make it flex. So on a medium screen, when you try to make it full page, you get to see the uh, the, the tags, the nav link. Okay, you get to see them. So made it flex there. So if you are new to responsiveness and Tailwind, this is how you do it. Okay. So right here is a tag within. So in the tag within, it's kind of how you align the LIs inside. So we're telling them to display flex and giving them items of center and padding from the left. As you can see in once you give them a padding of left, they kind of pushed a little bit from where they used to be a little bit. See, there's a padding here. So that's what padding left did there. And in here, like I said, you can use the link from the link tag from Vercel, which is this. That's no problem. But I'm using the A tag here. Okay. So the next thing you need to do is repeat the same process for the rest. As you can see, they look pretty much similar. As you can see, they are all similar. So you just have to copy, paste the same, but make sure you change this. Make sure you get this code from my GitHub repository because I'll be uploading it right there. Okay. So there's nothing fancy there. They are all the same. So here, what I did here is I said if it is open, then only on this small screen. If it is open, then this uh, display the rest of this. So what I mean is this: if I should click on this, it set it to be open, and if it is not, it hide it. So that's what it does on open and on close. Okay. So this is not a tutorial where I write everything. This is just a walkthrough tutorial. Okay. And these are just the SVGs for all these icons right here. Nothing special, just SVGs, as you can see. So the next thing we're going to do is go to the main page, which is this section right here. So on the main page we have this head section, which is from here up to somewhere down below. So in the head section we are giving it width of full, giving a flex that's on a max screen, max width of screen. Like if we making it flex, that's why you can see them on the same side. But if I remove the flex, they get to be flex core by default. So and on a medium screen, I'm giving it a width of auto. On a large screen, I'm gonna the flex of shrink. Okay, so this here is the image. This image of as you can see here, it's nothing really special. So you can basically look up the code on my GitHub. So the next thing here is the write the Tailwind CSS with like a pro, which I did give a custom style. If you are using the span tag, make sure basically they are all in the same h1 tag, and I'm just styling a specific uh, letters or title from it to make it give a different style. Okay, that's what you can do with this span tag. And also here the level up, all those stuffs. So there's nothing special to this, just some basic styling. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is the main page here, where all this write-up comes, and this prose is actually from Tailwind CSS. So you need to install this package, Tailwind Typography. Okay, and also the font. To use a custom font on your website, you need to have your font. Let me collapse everything. You need to have your fonts in your direct and you have to have a folder for your fonts. Okay, so here I created a folder, and how to link it, you need to come to your Tailwind CSS and have a font family. In here you should declare all your fonts accordingly to how you let me go to global CSS according to the names you use here. Okay, So here you have you should write your names according to how you want to use them inside your Tailwind. So here I'm having a Nonito black. Also in my Tailwind.css, as you can see, I'm having the Nonito black. So this is how you can use your custom fonts from your, from the ones you want to import locally from your system. Okay. So here I'm giving the whole page the pros. So what this pros does is it has its own default um, styling, which it which has effect on some text you wrap around when you basically wrap you tell your component to you tell your HTML tag to have pros. So all the default by default everything in here will inherit some properties being written in this pros. As you can see when I hover around it, you see they have so many kind of configuration going on here. So you can see it has a font size, line height, and margin top, and all those stuff. So this pros is doing so many work behind the hood. Okay, so here I'm just giving them some fonts, font styles, and increasing the text, and also give them some kind of uh, extra sizes. And also this, if once you install the pros, it has its own lot of configuration as well. As you can see, you can do so many stuff with it. So make sure you um, check it out on my GitHub. Okay. So that's all I'm going to do for this video. As you can see, the code is pretty long. So please make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Okay. See you guys next in the next video. And the next video we are going to be working on this. Uh, we're going to explain more on this as well. Okay. So see you guys. Bye.